guys, I'm caninecroonerfanaustin there, and I'm going to salute on the Shiny Show. Why? Because I love that show with a burning passion. Okay, let's start the salute. The Shiny Show. Yes, this show rocks. And this show involves 3 animals, and they like to go awesome adventures together. Munko is really cute. She's a really cute monkey. My mom loves monkeys. Dogsby is my favorite The Shiny Show character. He's a really cute puppy dog. Tiggs is a really cute tiger. And Tiggs is a really cute cat. And I also love cats too. And I also love dogs. The plots of the show are pointful. The animations are awesome. And do you know who likes the show? Me. And do you know who hates the show? Harry 33 and Harry 336 Low Allowed 909. But I respect his opinion on that show. The Shiny Show rules. And so does Scottish Terriers. Because Scottish Terriers is my favorite dog breed. The Backyardigans sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below.